Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen, man. Another edition of Tank Top Cooking, man. Right on, good stuff. Well, hey man, grab yourself some chicken, because that's what we're doing. We're doing some chicken breasts, man. So, yeah, okay, cool. I'm going to show you how I do them. Okay, so yeah, man, grab yourself some chicken. You can do whatever kind of chicken you want, but we're going with chicken breasts, man. And a little bit of thyme, some paprika, pepper, salt, some more pepper back there, some wine, what are we gonna do with that? Okay, and some barbecue sauce. That's what I'm going with, guys. Okay, man, this is what I generally do with pretty much all the meat I kind of cook up, but man, I like boiling them before you throw them in the oven, or I think we're going to do these on the barbecue, but so yeah, man, just get yourself a crock pot here, and toss your chicken breasts in there. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, soy sauce would work well for this too, but you know what I'm doing is I'm just throwing some red wine right over the top. Oh yeah, get it marinated. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Okay, right on. Orange juice, apple juice works for this too. I'm going with ginger ale. Oh yeah, just spruce that up a little bit here. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to throw on, good dash of thyme, man. Woo. Oh yeah, some of that in there. A little bit of paprika, man, don't get carried away. Just, maybe a, yeah, get a little sprinkle. Throw on just a little bit of salt, man. Just a little, just a little bit of salt, maybe a teaspoon or so. And yeah, some fresh ground pepper, man. Ooh, yeah. A little bit more, probably, I don't know, maybe teaspoonish. Turn that up to high because we're going to boil this. And just kind of get it around, make sure everything's nice and covered. And then just boil your chicken for, about a half an hour or so, man. It's kind of marinating and boiling at the same time. And the big reason you want to do this is you'll get super tender chicken, man. And then just bring that up to a decent boil, and once you got it boiling, turn it back and simmer it for about a half an hour. Okay, right on. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm doing some rice, so grab yourself like a cup of rice. I'm going with some long grain basmati here. And gonna do a little stir fry. Alright, get your water boiling for your rice. Toss in a little bit of salt, get it boiling a little quicker here. And let that rice boil for 7-8 minutes. You still want it a little crispy. Okay, man, well, if you haven't already done so, preheat your barbecue to high, and then we're going to turn it back to low. Grab yourself a ladle, a brush, basting brush, some tongs, and your chicken. Yeah, and then just get on your stir fry. Okay, right on. Good stuff. Now, you're going to want to throw that chicken on and use the wine sauce, the stuff that we're boiling in is for the marinade here, and then get back on your stir fry. Okay, now we're going to throw in 4 packs of soya sauce, a little bit of Asian sesame. Okay, and then what you're going to want to do is throw your celery and your green onion in there. Oh yeah. And just take that rice and toss it right in. Look at that, guys. I know I said chicken breasts and they're chicken thighs, so man, oh, doesn't look good. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah. Okay, well, see what the verdict says here. All right, jury's out.
That's really good.
Right on, guys. Well, there you have it. Chicken thighs. BC Benny style, man. Okay, right on. Good stuff. Well, I'm going to go chow down now, guys. So you guys be cool. Right on. And generally, once, twice a week here, I do cooking, man. Right on. So, yeah, thanks for dropping back to Tank Top Cook, and that's what we're going to call it, eh? Right on. You guys be cool. Man, this is good, guys. Give it a try.